Water, a seemingly unending resource, plays a significant role in our lives. You wake up, shower, make your coffee, clean your car, feed your family, flush the toilet, wash your laundry, and the list goes on. Now, for most people in the developed world, the systems, the infrastructure that brings us this valuable resource that powers life in all forms on this planet are generally reliable and remain out of sight, and therefore, unfortunately, out of mind. However, that's not the case for millions others around the world who are deprived and do not have the same luxury as we do. Now, for them, a day without clean and safe water is a frustrating reality with seemingly very few solutions. So the burning question here is, why do we still struggle with the world's water crisis? Do we just take things for granted? Have we as a society become insensitive to this issue, or do we lack information and awareness about the seriousness of this issue? Well, the answer probably is a combination of all of these reasons. What is very clear is that the world's water crisis today is not receiving the attention it deserves, especially since it powers life. It is the lifeline of the very existence of our communities, and it's the backbone of every conceivable economy on this planet. The world's water crisis is at a tipping point now. The ongoing crisis of climate change is being felt through the lens of water, in the forms of droughts, extreme rainfall events, sea level rise and saltwater intrusion into our freshwater systems, our abilities to fight wildfires, just to name a few. So since water is a planetary resource, it's going to take all of us, the citizens of this planet, to collaborate and engage so that our collective actions are transparent, accountable to all of the generations that will follow us and these generations are going to inherit our actions today. Personally, I just love the promise which the world of technologies powered by blockchain have in store for us. More specifically, we should be paying special attention to blockchain or decentralized ledger technologies, which are efficient from a standpoint of energy, since we know that water and energy are so closely interlinked. Algorand is one such blockchain which stands up to this challenge since it's a carbon negative blockchain. While we should be thinking at a global scale to engage communities and devise solutions to protect and preserve and conserve this precious and scarce resource, we must ensure that we take specific actions at a local scale in a decentralized fashion using science and data to engage and to inform and to act. Well, I leave you to ponder and reflect over this question. Is there anything you can think of that does not require water? Well, if you say sleeping, I have news for you. The trillions of cells in your body are made up of water. You may be hard-pressed to think of something. Regardless, for now, I would like to leave you with this thought that water in the real world does not conform to any boundaries. It is for this reason I like to present this precious resource to you as it's only one water and one world.